Last week, I did a video of celebrities who became mothers without marriage. You can check it in the description of this video. So today, I'm here to talk about Nigerian celebrities who became fathers. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZ, where I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side, never leave you lonely.
Harrison, the singer, has twin children from his Abuja-based baby mama in a hospital in California, Beverly Hills, USA. The twin sets are revealed as male and female. The baby boy has been named Perez, while the baby girl was named Terella, supposedly coined by Harrison's real name, Terrell. Timaya is a happy father of 3 wonderful children without marriage. Timaya does not believe in marriage. He said that the best thing is to have kids out of wedlock. The singer's 2 daughters are from a woman whom the singer has dated for several years. The older daughter's name is Emma, and the second daughter's name is Gracie. His latest relationship brought him a boy who was born in July 2018, and the baby mama is still kept under public eyes. Timaya had one time promised not to have another child from someone else apart from his first baby mama, but it seems he couldn't keep that in check after a while. Patoranking, the Nigerian reggae artist, is a single father who has a daughter named Wilma. Wilma was born in 2018, but no information is known about her mother. We only see photos of her. To introduce Wilma to his fans, Patoranking named his 2019 studio album after his daughter Wilma. In 2015, photos of Patoranking and his son appeared on social media. A statement from the singer cooled the excitement of everyone, as it turned out that the boy is the singer's younger brother, who is named Raphael. At the time, Raphael was 9 years old. Jim Iyke. Multi-talented Nollywood actor Jim Iyke is a proud father to his son, Harvey Chudubem Iyke. His son was born by his lieutenant baby mama, Dana Kindurat. While he is here to fix a date for a possible marriage to legally make Dana his wife, Jim Iyke welcomed his second child in 2019. Pasuma. Fuji musician Pasuma has 12 children from different women without getting married to any. As of 2020, the Nigerian singer is 51 and has never been officially reported to be married to any woman. Pasuma is heard to be linked to many women in the past, and most of these women are Yoruba actresses. In a movie titled Jayola Nimonje, produced by Yoruba actress Jaye Kuti, Pasuma played the role of her husband. Oganla played the role of Jaye Kuti's fiancé, who ended up marrying her. A lot of rumors started to circulate, but the singer said that he was not ready to marry to anyone to avoid painful mistakes. Runtown. Popular Nigerian singer Runtown has a son out of wedlock. Runtown met his baby mama Selena late in the United States in 2015 while shooting his music video titled Bend Down Pause. The pair's relationship produced a son called Zama, who was born in 2017 in the United States. As gathered, Runtown's baby mama is a US-based model, actress, and video vixen. She is said to have appeared on camera to prominent rap artists in the United States. Olamide. Although Olamide has proposed to his baby mama, he still makes up to 78% of Nigerian celebrities who became fathers without marriage. Olamide has a son named Milano with his fiancée Aisha, who he has dated for more than 5 years now. Friends of the couple say that Aisha and Olamide started dating from the beginning of his career way back in 2014. Aisha is always with Olamide, including during concerts around the country and abroad. Flavor has 3 kids, 2 daughters and a son from 2 beauty queens, Anabana and Sandra Okabwe. With Sandra Okabwe, he has a daughter and a son, while Anabana gave birth to his other daughter. Though rumor had it that Flavor has gotten married to Sandra Okabwe in a secret wedding ceremony, but he has never come out to confirm it. Wizkid currently has 3 sons from 3 different women without getting married. Shola, the first baby mama to the pop star, gave birth to Wizkid's first son back in 2011. She was 19 years when she had her son Boluwatife. Ayodeji, who happens to be Wizkid's second son, was born in 2016 by his mother, Binta, who is a beautiful Guinea-American model. Actually, Zion is the third and youngest baby of Wizkid, born in 2017 by Jada Polak. Jada Polak is a brand consultant from Britain. She used to work for Chris Brown and Pierre before she started the same consultancy work with Wizkid. The corporation started in 2014, and in 2017 they were already having an affair, which led to the birth of their son Zion in November 2017. Solid Star, who began his career as a drummer for his local church in his hometown of Delta State, has a son with his British girlfriend. The father of one welcomed Lero King Josh Jr. 4 years ago with his UK lover. After his birth, Solid Star was said to have traveled to the UK to spend some time with his baby. Tekno is UK-based Nigerian singer Lola Ray gave birth to their daughter Sky in 2018. In March 2017, Tekno and Lola Ray announced their relationship, and the next year in 2018, they became parents to a little bundle of joy. Their daughter is mostly referred as the photocopy of Tekno, as she resembles him more than the mother. She is the only child of their parents, and they don't seem to be had anymore soon. Davido has 3 children from 3 women without marrying any of them, although reports had it that Davido has been engaged to one of those women, that's Chioma. Davido's first baby mama is Sophia Momodi, who gave birth to Davido's first daughter, Amanda. Amanda gave birth to Davido's second daughter. Her name is Hailey Veronica Adeleke. The mother of Davido's last child and only son for now is Chioma, whom Davido is engaged to. Right now, Davido is the father of 3 children from 3 women. There was also a controversy not long ago about Davido's alleged baby mama, Ayotomide Labingo, who claimed that she had an affair with Davido and got pregnant. She claimed that Davido is the father of her daughter, who is now 4 years old. Then they took a DNA test, but the DNA test came out negative. That means Davido wasn't the father. But the lady in question still insisted that Davido is the father. The Prince. Don Jazzy's younger brother and Mervyn singer, The Prince, also has 2 children from his baby mama, Sharon Oparacho. It was observed that The Prince has been carefully protecting his baby mama from undue exposure to the public. So far, not much is known about the background of the mother of his children. Ice Prince, whose music career started way back in 1999, has a son out of wedlock. The name of Ice Prince's baby mama is Bimbo Babatunde, and the name of Ice Prince's son is Jamal Zamani. Actually, Jamal was born on the 1st March 2012. At the time the boy was born, Bimbo has been studying at the University of Lagos. Because Bimbo and Ice Prince are not together anymore, the child is being raised by his mother. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian celebrities is your favorite? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.